Selective admission programs offered on the RCSJ Gloucester campus include nursing, LPN-RN Track, diagnostic medical sonography, nuclear medicine technology, and physical therapist assistant. Acceptance into these programs is competitive and contingent upon applicants meeting requirements beyond general admissions. These programs are daytime, weekday programs. The process for applying to these programs consists of two steps: general admissions and selective admissions. For general admissions, students need to complete a general admission application online with the intention to apply to your selective admissions pathway under the health science major. Submit official high school transcript documenting high school graduation or earned GED to admissions. Satisfy the RCSJ placement test requirements. Students may begin taking general education courses under the health science pathway prior to the start of the program. Upon completing Step 1, students are ready to begin the second step in the application process: submission of the portfolio. All documents required for the portfolio must be provided by the student. Each program requires students to meet specific selective admission requirements. The LPN-RN Track program is for students who currently hold an active LPN license and wish to advance to an RN license. The application deadline for winter 2021 is October 2nd, 2020. Please visit the Selective Admissions website for admission requirements. The Physical Therapist Assistant program is for students who wish to work in a healthcare profession as a licensed PTA. The application deadline for spring 2021 is October 30, 2020. Please visit the Selective Admissions website for admission requirements. The nursing program at RCSJ has been voted the #1 program in the state of New Jersey. The generic nursing program is for students who wish to enter the health field as a registered nurse. Due to the merger of the Gloucester and Cumberland campuses, the nursing curriculum is under revision. Please continue to check the Selective Admission website for further updates and the updated 2021 Nursing Admission Packet. The DMS program is designed to prepare students to be competent and experienced sonographers as they enter the profession. The next class will begin in fall 2021. Please continue to check the Selective Admission website for the updated 2021 DMS Admission Packet. The NMT program prepares students to obtain a rewarding career in the field of nuclear medicine. The next class will begin in fall 2021. Please continue to check the Selective Admission website for the updated 2021 NMT Admission Packet. Information about all the selective admission programs can be found at rcsj.edu/selectiveadmissions/Gloucester. If you are interested in applying to a selective admission program and would like more information, please contact the admissions office at admissions@rcsj.edu.